Welcome to Auto Avenue, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2, an engineering marvel straight from Japan. This beast of a machine continues to push the boundaries of performance and innovation, making it one of the most exciting motorcycles on the market. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a supercharged masterpiece that brings together power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. At the heart of this machine is a 998cc inline-4 engine, equipped with a supercharger that delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience. The power output is staggering, providing rapid acceleration and an unmatched top speed. With improvements in engine refinement and heat management, Kawasaki ensures that riders get the best performance without compromising reliability. One of the standout aspects of the Ninja H2 is its aerodynamic design, optimized for both speed and stability. The sharp, aggressive lines and the aerodynamic winglets not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to improved downforce, ensuring better handling at high speeds. The lightweight trellis frame provides the perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility, allowing for precise control whether on the track or open roads. Kawasaki has equipped the Ninja H2 with state-of-the-art electronics to enhance both safety and performance. The latest IMU-based traction control system offers multiple riding modes, ensuring the perfect balance between power delivery and grip. The electronic throttle control ensures seamless response, while the launch control system allows for explosive starts without wheel spin. The advanced cornering ABS provides enhanced braking performance, even in tricky conditions, giving riders the confidence to push the limits. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned to offer the best possible ride quality. With high-performance components like fully adjustable front forks and a rear shock absorber designed for both comfort and precision, the Ninja H2 glides over roads while maintaining razor-sharp handling. Whether taking on tight corners or blasting down straight roads, this motorcycle delivers an exhilarating experience. Braking performance is another area where the Ninja H2 shines. Equipped with top-tier Brembo calipers and large-diameter disc brakes, it offers powerful stopping power with excellent control. The combination of these brakes with Kawasaki's intelligent braking system ensures smooth deceleration, even at high speeds, providing riders with confidence and safety. Technology plays a crucial role in making the Ninja H2 a next-level motorcycle. The TFT instrument panel offers a full-color display with multiple viewing modes, giving riders all the essential information at a glance. Smartphone connectivity allows riders to access ride data, notifications, and navigation assistance, adding a layer of convenience to the riding experience. Kawasaki's advanced rider assist features, including cruise control and quick shifter, make long rides more enjoyable and fatigue-free. In terms of design and styling, the Ninja H2 remains an icon of aggressive aesthetics. The high-quality paint finish, inspired by aerospace technology, gives it a striking appearance that stands out on the road. The LED lighting system, including the signature headlamp and taillight design, enhances visibility while complementing the bike's futuristic appeal. Every detail, from the mirrors to the exhaust, is designed to exude performance and sophistication. Kawasaki has also worked on refining the exhaust system, ensuring that the Ninja H2 meets modern emission standards while maintaining its signature supercharged roar. The improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions make it a more environmentally conscious choice without compromising the thrill of riding. Riders will also appreciate the ergonomics of the Ninja H2. While it remains a high-performance machine, Kawasaki has ensured that the seat positioning and handlebar arrangement offer a comfortable riding posture. Whether for spirited track days or extended highway rides, the Ninja H2 offers a blend of comfort and aggression that appeals to both enthusiasts and professionals. Another key highlight is the intelligent keyless ignition system, adding convenience and security to the package. Riders can start the bike effortlessly without fumbling for keys, enhancing the overall experience of owning a premium motorcycle. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a motorcycle that represents the pinnacle of performance and innovation. With its powerful engine, advanced electronics, aerodynamic design, and top-tier braking and suspension components, it continues to set benchmarks in the world of high-performance motorcycles. For riders who crave speed, precision, and cutting-edge technology, the Ninja H2 is a dream come true. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2 Japan specs and features. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Avenue for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes and cars. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.